Today, we're unboxing the Stealth Cam Revolver 360 Cellular Trail Camera. What's unique about this is that it's got motion sensors all the way around it, and when motion is detected, it will actually rotate that camera to take the picture where motion is detected. It's also a cellular camera, which means that it can use cellular signal to transmit images rather than Wi-Fi, so you can place this even in areas where you don't have a Wi-Fi network, and it runs off batteries. So let's open this up and see what's inside. We open it up here at the top, and you can see that this is a lot larger than your typical cellular camera or trail camera, and that's because it has that 360 degree view. So once we take it out of here, we've got our camera, and then down at the bottom, let's see if there's anything else in there. It looks like we've got this piece right here, and we've got some mounting brackets and stuff like that in here. You've got a strap, so you can strap it to a tree. And then you also have, it looks like, a power port if you wanted to have power somewhere else. And then you've got another bracket here. So let's take a little bit more in-depth look at the camera itself. You can see there's the camera, and it can rotate all the way around this housing right here. And it can rotate pretty much a full 360 so that you can view whatever you want on this camera. And then here's the motion sensors up here at the top. So let's say it detects motion on the backside, it will then rotate this camera all the way around to take a picture. And then in terms of batteries, you open it up right here, and that's where you're going to put the batteries in. You've got an SD card slot, and then here are your battery banks right here. So this thing takes 16 batteries, which is quite a lot. 16 AA batteries, that's your SD card input, and then on off right here. And we close that up. It looks like you can add in auxiliary power, 12 volt DC in. So if you want to have this run off DC power, a larger 12 volt battery and or a solar panel, you could do that. It's got an area in the back here for strapping it to a tree if you wanted it, but that kind of defeats some of the purpose of this. I think the ideal way to mount this is, it does have a like tripod mount here at the bottom, is put this in the center of an open area, and then it's going to be able to detect motion wherever it is with that motion sensor up here at the top, and then rotate around. So I would mount this on like a top of a 2x4 or a post or something like that, and get it mounted right here. Or as long as you had the post sitting below this angle and it didn't rise up any higher, you could strap it to something, and then you'd still get that full 360 effect. So that is what I would recommend for that. And then it looks like they've got some different mounting hardware here for that. So thanks for watching this unboxing of the Stealth Cam Revolver 360 Cellular Trail Camera.